Yo, get a little bit of clips for the freaking the old channel. Back in business, eh?
Yeah.
Go have a fire, chill out, I'll do a fat montage. You got harnesses in this thing.
Yeah. You wanna look?
All right, back in here. Holy crap, man, it's been a while. Dang, bro. I don't think you've given her that much beats. Oh, you got her all too. Well, since I've been in with you, because last time we just got the, was that thing? Or was that you? No, last time we were out running it last season, you just, I don't think you had that tune yet. No, you didn't, not everything fully,
Yeah,
but.
it's like 1000cc injectors with like HX35. I don't know what it, like Buddy's, like the tune that I got from Buddy in Edmonton.
Yeah.
He figures that it made, his car makes 411.
411.
On 8 pounds of boost with 800cc injectors.
Dang.
With the same turbo.
That's way better. It's nice not having the exhaust come out the freaking hood.
You know what? It's really nice having a middle.
Riding around with a big turbo. Oh, that's great.
Like I always wanted the hood stack, and then when I had it like out, I was like, this sucks.
Well, yeah, I mean, when
Like it's sweet, but it's
only
like
for a little bit, it's just loud and obnoxious.
If you enjoy driving it, then you should not have a hood stack.
Yeah. Dang, man, this thing's running good.
Oh yeah, it doesn't skip a beat. Like at all.
There we are. Nice HX35, boys. Deadly. Thing hauls, what a difference. Let's do a sick montage here for you guys of the cars. What a beautiful day. I love coming out here. Nice little cruise, nothing beats it. Well, that was a nice cruise today out, have fire, Bragg Creek. Still, as you can see, tons of snow, but the season's here. It's time to cruise and have fun. Hit that like and subscribe button. Also follow me at JZS Main on Instagram. I'll tag my buddy, his R33. I'll tag that Instagram below as well. Thanks a lot, and enjoy the upcoming videos. Have a good one.